In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this problem under matrix for your JAMB Maths. Alright, so we have one repeated question for this topic, and this involves multiplication of matrices. Okay, so let's solve it, guys, in case they repeat it again for you so that we know the right answer. Okay, so to solve this question, let's write it down. So we have matrix X to be this 1, 2, 0, and 3, and we have matrix Y to be this 2, 1, 4, and 3. Alright, so the both matrices are 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so to solve this, basically this is the solution how you're going to multiply the matrix. So it will be 1 times 2 plus 2 times 4. This one we times this 2, and this 2 we times this 4. Okay, so now that we have done this, so let's simplify. Let's keep simplifying. All right, so once you do it, you also do this one we times this one here, and this 2 we times this 3 here. So this will give us 1 times 1, okay, plus 2 times 3. Then you come to the values below, the same route. This one now, this 0 we times this 2, and this 3 times this 4 first. So we have 0 times 2 plus 3 times 4. Alright, so you go again, this 0 we times this 1, and this 3 times this 3. So we have 0 times 1 plus 3 times 3. So when you break this down, you're going to have the output to be 1 times 2 is to have 2 plus 8. Then we have 1 plus 6. Then this one we have 0. 0 times 2 is 0 plus 12. This one we have 0 plus 9. Okay, so the final result will be the matrix xy, this is y, will be, so 2 plus 8 we have it to be 10, this will give us 7, then we have 12, and this will give us 9. Alright, so that will be the multiplication of the matrix xy. So the correct option, we have 10, 7, 12, and 9. The correct option is option A. This basically can deal with problems involving multiplication of matrix. We just had one repeated question for this particular topic. Alright, so let's go take a video. Hope you learned something interesting. If you're new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. And how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to give your question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the end screen above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.